Saving money each day doesn't have to be difficult or require drastic changes. The first step to make small, conscious decisions is about your spending strategies. So start by tracking where your money goes each day. By identifying areas where you tend to overspend, you can make more mindful choices. For instance, making your coffee at home instead of buying coffee at a cafe can save you a significant amount over time. And I don't do it, and I should. Everything else I do. Similarly, preparing meals at home instead of eating out can add to considerable savings. I make my lunch for the whole week on Sunday, and today is Sunday. Another effective way to save money daily is to set aside a small fixed amount each day. This could be as simple as setting aside the loose change from your purchases or putting aside a specific amount each morning. This small daily habit can build over time, and before you know it, you're going to have saved up a decent sum. Additionally, reducing impulse purchases is key to saving money. Before making a purchase, take a moment to think about whether you truly need this item or if it's just a passing desire. Wait for a day or two, and that can help curb your unnecessary spending. All right? Lastly, automate your savings if possible. Set up an automatic transfer to a savings account each day, ensuring that you save without even thinking about it. With consistency and small daily efforts, saving money becomes an achievable goal. Let me know if this helped.